What's up, you guys are watching Nerdy Narain and this is my first unboxing video. Welcome to my channel. Today we will do an unboxing of MasterLiquid 240L core. This is the 240mm version. There are also 120mm and 360mm versions on the market. You will also find this Cooler Master AIO cooler in three types. One is the black, second is the RGB version, and third is the RGB and white color. That's the user manual. The illustrations are just awesome. So in the box we get two 120mm RGB fans. That's the warranty information. That's the bag with all the screws and plates and connectors. We will have a look at them in some time. Let's take out the main radiator unit as well as the liquid cooler pump. If you are looking for a great AIO cooler, then you should definitely consider this. I got this for 5,000 rupees on Amazon. I will post the link in the description for you guys. Let's keep the box aside. Now let's see the fans in more detail. So this time I went for the full RGB setup. So I wanted a clean look. And I have my other components as black, so black is the way. We have here a copper plated dual chamber water cooler. Don't forget to peel off the sticker before installing. I'll do another video where I'll show you how to install, so wait for it. That will be in part 2. I'll just have a look at all the screws and plates one by one. That's the fan connector to motherboard. Next up is the plates that connects to the cooler unit. The left one is for Intel CPUs and the right one is for AMD CPUs. These back plates are for the Intel CPUs. That's the cryofuse thermal paste for applying on the CPU processor. These screws are used to connect the radiator unit and the motherboard and the cabinet. You will only require these screws if you have Intel CPUs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.